Traders, welcome to the weekly forecast where I'm going to give you all of my swing trades for this week, for all you swingers out there. And stay till the end of the vid because I'm going to show you how you can win prizes by participating in our analysis challenge. It's a great bit of fun and a great way for you to improve your analysis, guys. So stay tuned for that. Let's start with our swing trades for this week. And the catalyst for these trades are Aussie dollar strength and pound strength, guys. Okay. We saw strength creep into both of these pairs last week, and they formed good swing trades for this week. So the first swing trade I'm looking at this week is Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. So as you can see, guys, right, we're in this uptrend and in this channel, right? We've got this trend line here and this trend line here. So we're in this channel, guys. We've clearly had a huge bounce off the bottom of this channel, okay, and a very bullish wick has formed, and I think we can take price back up to this 9,2000 psychological level. All right, so Aussie dollar CAD, we're also looking at Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Like I said, we've got this Aussie dollar strength. I'm going to add a target in here as well. There we go. So what are we looking at? Well, we're looking at an uptrend. Yeah, as soon as we break these highs here, we're in an uptrend and price has retraced to the bottom of this channel. Okay, so it's another channel, guys. You can see this trend line, okay, here and here, right? We've got this nice, not super bullish, but bullish enough for us to start looking for longs. This is my TP1. This is my TP2. Okay, so I'm looking for these psychological levels, guys. All right, so Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar buy for this week. To carry on the Australian dollar strength, we're also looking at Euro Aussie dollar. Now, this is an against trend trade, but just look at that weekly candle. Have you seen anything more bearish than that? We are in an uptrend, right? You can clearly see that, but we've got some real key weekly, monthly levels up here where price has been bouncing off. I can even put a resistance zone through there. Okay, so because of this big bearish candle, I think we can take price back down to the next area of support, which is this level right here. And this blue line is my target. Okay, so they're the Aussie dollar strength swing trades that I'm looking at. We've also got pound strength as well. So the first one is this. If we look at pound Canadian dollar, okay, again, the weekly chart, because these are swing trades, guys, I wouldn't go below the weekly chart, all right? So you can see, again, we're in an uptrend. You can see price has retraced to this trend line here, which price just keeps touching, right? It's not a super bullish candle, but this wick has shown us we've had a bounce off that level. And because it's not a super bullish candle, my first target is just back up to this level here, this 76,000, TP1, TP2 would be back up to these daily highs at this 7,800 level. All right, so pound Canadian dollar buys. Also looking at pound New Zealand buys as well. Like I said, pound strength. And again, you know, we are in an uptrend. Right, we're in an uptrend. Price has had a nice retrace, and we're at a very nice support level. What was once resistance becomes support. We love this setup. Again, not a super bullish candle, but this wick has had a real push away from that level. So the idea is to take price back up to this 215,000 level, TP1, and TP2 would be back up to these daily highs and this 218,000 level. Okay, so pound New Zealand dollar buys and also pound US dollar. Yeah, this is looking like a good swing trade. So again, we just want to understand trend. Okay, we're in an uptrend. Price, you can see higher lows, higher highs, right? Price has retraced to the moving average 20. and this area of support as well. So we've got like double support in here. And again, just look at these bottom wicks on these candles. So for that reason, we're in an uptrend, bottom wicks, nice support. I'm looking to take price TP1 back up to this 1.2850. If not, back up to these highs and this 13,000 up here. So that's Aussie dollar strength and pound strength. I'm also looking at a couple of other swing trades, guys. So the first one is New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. And before I show you my last couple of swing trades, if I could please ask you to subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, guys, and smash that like button. Also, please come join our trading community and join our VIP Trading Academy. Check it all out. It's all in the video description. And stay tuned because you can win prizes at the end of this vid, guys. My next swing trade is this, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. And again, we're just looking at this channel, right? We've got a trend line here. We're actually looking at an ascending triangle. Okay, so you can see price is hitting the top of the triangle, down to the bottom, back to the top, down to the bottom. So the idea is to come back to the top of this ascending triangle. If we zoom in now, you can also see we've had such a bullish reaction followed by a bullish wick. And like I say, we just want to take price back up to this 8,350 level. So New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar buys. And then the last thing I'm looking at is oil, right? Oil, looking at the weekly chart. This for me is in an uptrend and it's bounced off a low. If we follow this weekly trend and structure, we are in an uptrend, higher highs, and these lows have held. And just look at the reaction we've had at those lows. All right, so for that reason, I think we can take price up to this first piece of resistance in here, TP1, TP2 would be back up to these highs here. And also, guys, just worth pointing out, you choose any of these yen or Swiss franc pairs. We are clearly very oversold down here. Yeah, look at this sell-off. We know we had the flight to safety pairs had, a lot of strength last week as the indices were falling. But then we've had this big weekly candle come back into the market. It is against trend, but I think some of these Swiss franc yen pairs have room, back up to the next piece of resistance, basically. So this is Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. And another one would be like the Swiss franc pairs. So let's have a look at pound Swiss franc. Again, huge sell-off, right, on the weekly chart, massively oversold, big bullish weekly candle, take price to the next piece of resistance. All right, guys. So yeah, they're my weekly swing trades for this week. Now I'm going to explain how you can win prizes by taking part in the analysis challenge, right? And this week, guys, we're looking at Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. So to participate, all you need to do, guys, is join our free Discord channel. And I want you to predict the closing price for Aussie dollar Swiss franc. So on Friday, when Aussie dollar Swiss franc finishes trading at the end of this week, I want you to predict Aussie dollar Swiss franc Friday's closing price. What you need to do is give us these predictions by the end of play Tuesday. So you can do that by leaving your price in the live chat below this vid, or we have a dedicated room in our Discord channel where you can leave your prediction. All right, but it's very important, guys. You must give us your predictions by end of play Tuesday. All right, like I say, below the vid or in our free Discord channel. So come play along, guys. You can win free access to the VIP Trading Academy. All right, guys. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed the vid. Please subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and please smash that like button. Have a great trading week, and I'll see you soon.